For many students across India, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, becoming a doctor is more than just a dream, it's a lifelong mission. However, the rising cost of medical education often becomes a major barrier. That's where Bangladesh stands out as a practical solution. Bangladesh offers a unique opportunity to pursue a globally recognized MBBS degree at a fraction of the cost compared to private medical colleges in India or other countries. The medical colleges here maintain high academic standards, are approved by the National Medical Commission of India, and follow a curriculum very similar to what Indian students are already familiar with. One of the key reasons international students, especially from India, prefer Bangladesh is affordability without compromising on quality. On average, the total cost of completing an MBBS degree in Bangladesh ranges between 25 to 35 lakh INR, depending on the college. This includes tuition fees, hostel accommodation, and other basic expenses. When compared to private medical colleges in India charging upwards of 60 to 80 lakh, the difference is significant. Moreover, the medium of instruction in all reputed medical colleges is English, eliminating language barriers for international students. The cultural similarity, food habits, and friendly environment make it easier for students from South Asia to adjust and focus entirely on their studies. Another advantage is the extensive clinical exposure provided by medical colleges in Bangladesh. From the third year onwards, students get hands-on training in affiliated hospitals, dealing with a wide range of patient cases, an essential part of medical education. But with so many colleges to choose from, selecting the right institution becomes crucial. That's where professional guidance plays an important role. At Fortune Education, we have been assisting students for over 2 decades in securing admissions to top medical colleges in Bangladesh. As an authorized representative of several reputed institutions, we ensure that students get direct admissions without donation or hidden charges. Our consultancy provides end-to-end support, right from shortlisting NMC-approved colleges, verifying eligibility based on NEET scores, handling documentation, visa assistance, and ensuring a smooth transition into student life in Bangladesh. For Indian students, it's important to note that only graduates from NMC-approved colleges are eligible to appear for the FMGE or next exam to practice in India. Fortune Education carefully guides students to select colleges that meet these criteria, ensuring their degree holds value back home. In addition to affordability, many colleges offer flexible payment structures, allowing students and parents to manage finances better over the course of 5 years. By choosing Bangladesh, students not only save on fees but also gain access to a structured education system, experienced faculty, modern laboratories, and globally accepted degrees recognized by WHO, NMC, and other international bodies. For Indian students, qualifying NEET is mandatory. Even if you are opting to study abroad, NEET qualification is required to ensure eligibility for licensing exams like FMGE or NEXT after graduation. Along with NEET, students must have completed 12th grade with physics, chemistry, and biology, securing at least 60% marks in both SSC and HSC or equivalent examinations. Some colleges may offer slight variations, but these are the general benchmarks. For students from Nepal, Sri Lanka, and other countries, similar science-based qualifications apply, and Fortune Education ensures that all documentation aligns with the respective medical councils. Once eligibility is confirmed, the next step is selecting the right medical college. Bangladesh has over 100 private and public medical colleges, but not all are ideal for international students. Factors like NMC approval, clinical exposure, infrastructure, hostel facilities, and fee structure must be carefully considered. This is where Fortune Education steps in as a trusted partner. We represent top-tier medical colleges known for providing affordable MBBS programs tailored for foreign students. Institutions like Army Medical Colleges, Sylhet Women's Medical College, and Inam Medical College are among the preferred choices due to their disciplined environment, modern facilities, and reasonable fee structures. Our team assists students in preparing a clear financial plan. Unlike many destinations where hidden costs surface later, Bangladesh medical colleges, through Fortune Education, offer transparent fee packages, often inclusive of tuition, hostel, and sometimes even food. Now, beyond academics, students often ask, what is life like in Bangladesh? The answer is comfortable and familiar. For Indian and South Asian students, Bangladesh offers a culturally similar environment. From food habits to festivals, students feel at home while pursuing a world-class education. Major cities like Dhaka, Chattogram, Sylhet, and Bogra have excellent connectivity, healthcare, and safety, especially around medical campuses. Hostel accommodations provided by most colleges are separate for international students, ensuring comfort, security, and a focused study environment. Fortune Education ensures that every student is placed in a well-maintained hostel with access to basic amenities like Wi-Fi, libraries, and nearby hospitals for clinical training. Another key advantage is the proximity to India. Being a neighboring country, travel is easy and affordable for Indian students. Parents can visit, and students can return home during vacations without the high travel costs associated with distant countries. Throughout the MBBS journey, Fortune Education maintains continuous support. Our responsibility doesn't end with admission. We assist students with registration at local authorities, ensure smooth communication with college administrations, and provide guidance during examinations and internships. For those thinking about their future beyond graduation, Bangladesh MBBS degrees open doors globally. Students can appear for screening tests in India, USA, UK, or other countries, as these degrees are recognized by international medical councils. In summary, pursuing MBBS in Bangladesh is a smart, affordable, and secure option for international students, especially from India and neighboring countries. With low fees, high academic standards, and cultural comfort, it's no surprise that thousands choose Bangladesh every year. But choosing the right path is essential. With Fortune Education, students and parents gain a reliable partner who understands every step of the process, from eligibility checks to settling into campus life. If you are planning to pursue MBBS abroad without the financial burden, Bangladesh offers the perfect balance of quality and affordability. Get in touch with Fortune Education today and take the first step towards a successful medical career. Your future in medicine starts with informed choices, and we're here to guide you.